So this is another collaboration with Julie Vatcher, the wonderful UK artist, and I came up with the theme Ethereal Vista, which I'm regretting now because my work is not ethereal at all, and Julie came up with the colours. So her colour choices were iridescent silver, iridescent copper, which I hate, it's too pink for me, metallic gold, pearl white, which I've never used before but I love now, a bluey grey, which I've mixed myself, and her other choice was black, but I've substituted Payne's grey. My black's playing up a bit, so I'll be safer using the Payne's grey. So I'm thinking again 20 by 60 and a landscape. So this is going to be the grey and silvers, and then going up into kind of ethereal sky. That's the plan anyway. You can see I've got a range of cups here. I'm going to have so much paint on this canvas, it may collapse, but this is what I've been thinking. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the land running from light to dark, and then a dark Payne's grey strip, and then I'm going to start playing with the golds, the coppers, the pearls in different ways. Okay. I always write down the order in which I'm going to be putting my colours in each cup. The first 3 cups were representing land or sea, and they were going to be travelling from light to dark. So I was using the iridescent silver, the Payne's grey, which is a smoky blue-grey colour, and the blue-grey that I had mixed myself. To achieve a kind of graduated effect, I varied the colour order and the depth of the layers. So the lighter cup had more silver in it, the darker cup had the least amount of silver of all. The rest of the cups were made up of the iridescent gold, the iridescent copper, Payne's grey and the pearl white, and I just use these in different layers, but I always made sure the copper was surrounded by a darker colour because I didn't like it when it was lighter. It needed some depth to it. These all on the canvas now, just don't go off the edge. Oh, splurge. Sorry. It's a good job this cup's mainly gold. Okay. Gold. Oh. Gold. Oh. The dreaded copper. I'm splurging my gold today. Let's just give some space for these ones. Ooh, some reactions there. I'm just going to do a general good luck. Okay, didn't leave that very long. I'm just going to... Oh! I know I was moaning about the copper, but the copper and black looks lovely. Like I said, the small paint and the pearl white there. Copper again. Let's just get some more copper in there. Okay. Some darkness, like a bit of darkness. More copper. Yuck. Actually, I'm just going to do that for the copper as well. Okay. Oh, gold, beautiful gold and black. Oh, off the edge. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. And last one. Undo the edges. I just gave the paint a wee torch to get rid of air bubbles. let's just cover these ends. Ooh, that gold is very fluid. Come on guys, catch up. I do my tilting very slowly, but I have sped up the video now, or else this will be an extremely long video. Where some of the paint hadn't flowed as much as the others, I just grabbed the leading edge and dragged down the colour, and this almost acted like a base paint to get the paint to flow over more easily. I'm all about having straight lines in my pours at the moment, so I'm just doing a general direct straight lift, and I'm not tilting much from side to side, and this helps me keep the lines relatively straight. Okay, that's pretty much it. These are fantastic, these colours. I may have to reverse this. This was meant to be land and that was meant to be sky. We'll see how it dries, but I may do this as the land going up into the sky. Either way, I think it works both ways. Fantastic. This is the dried painting, and I can't tell you how beautiful and scrumptious the iridescent colours are. There's some great cells appearing, which I've left in because normally I'm not a fan of cells when I don't want them to appear, but this whole theme for this painting was Ethereal Vista, so I wanted something quite otherworldly, and I thought the cells just added another dimension to the painting. The colours, like I said, are truly scrumptious and really deep, and the copper works really well surrounded by the dark colours. Here is a short section of Julie's video sped up, and it's the start of her process. We're using exactly the same colours but slightly differently. Even though Julie's going to be doing a couple of flip cups, she's more interested in doing swipes and gets some really beautiful effects when she does them. Julie's painting is absolutely beautiful, and she's hit the criteria of the painting, i.e. an ethereal vista, right on the head. It's beautiful and delicate. To see Julie's full video and all the processes she goes through to create her beautiful painting, please follow the link that I put in the description for this video. Okay, here are both paintings now. Julie's painting is on the left, mine is on the right. You can see hers is much more ethereal and wispy. Mine's a bit of a wham, bam, pow painting, but it's still quite ethereal in my eyes. This collab was great fun to do, and I used colours I would never usually use, especially the pearl white and the copper, which I hate, but it was nice just to use it anyway. If you would like to see further paintings, then please do subscribe. Take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.